Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Hootsuite. First thing you should do is to simply log in into your Hootsuite account and try to link some of your social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, etc. And to link all of these accounts, you should go down, scroll till you find this option, social accounts, then click on connect multiple accounts to your Hootsuite. And now here, as you can see in the home page, you can see many options. First, you can see here in this section the most engaging post. And down below right here, you will find the drafts. These are all posts that you have created but didn't yet publish it, or even the published posts that you created in Hootsuite. You can also click on create a post in the top right corner in order to create a new post using Hootsuite. And if you cannot actually know what exactly do you want to post, you can go up till you find this section, listening. You can go to the trending topics and choose the type of content that you want to get trending topics about. And after that, you can simply click on create draft post. Then it will create you a post without any effort by using the AI. You can also click here in the quick search box right here and search for any topic that you need some hashtags about it, or if you want to see if this topic is trending in this period or not. And you can also go to this option right here, start with AI, which will help you create a post with seconds without any extra effort. It will show you here these options. You can choose any one of them and start creating your post. And this process is of course assisted by the AI. Now here on the left side, as you can see, we have this nav bar. This includes most of the tools that you will use in order to create your posts, advertisements, check your analytics, and many other features. Now let me show you the first tool right here, which is the create tool. You can simply click on it and it will show you multiple options like post, YouTube video, content with AI, add, and so on. So now I'm gonna click on post. Then after that, we'll show you this page. Now here you will have your post in this box right here. When you click on emojis, it will show all the emojis that you can add. You can also click on this photo icon in order to add some photos or pictures to your post. You can also go here on the top and click on this bar in order to select the social account that you want to post this video to. And here you have this hashtag icon. If you want to add some hashtags that is related to the topic that you are posting on. Down below right here, you have also the tags section where you can add tags, especially when you try to post something on Facebook or YouTube, for example. So now here, as you can see, after choosing these three platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, from this section here, you can navigate to different websites in order to do some modifications according to each social media platform. And as I said, you can simply click on this hashtag icon and add some AI hashtag suggestions. After you check the hashtag, you can simply click on add hashtags right here. Then it will be added just in your post. You can also click on this icon right here. It will provide you with some options that you can improve the spelling and remove any mistakes in your post. After that, you will have three options down below right here. You can simply click on post now. And by this way, you will post on all the chosen or selected platforms. Or you can simply click on schedule for later and choose a specific time in order to publish this post at the chosen time. Or you can click on save as draft, and by this way it will be saved to your draft. You can modify it later or publish it later, and as long as it's in draft, it will not be deleted. Now let's demonstrate another tool, which is the plan tool right here. When you go to the plan tool, it will show you exactly what posts did you post in this week. Not only in this week, you can also see the whole calendar in front of you and see how many posts or advertisements or stories or reels that you have published in this day. So as you can see, I have 2 publishments in Monday 12. And now you can simply see the gaps between the posts. So here, as you can see, I have moved this post from Friday to Thursday. You can also click on this icon on the top in order to change the appearance of the calendar. So you can simply change the appearance or even use some filters by clicking on filters right here. Now let me show you one of the best tools in this website, which is the inbox tool. When you go to this section right here, you will find all of your public or private messages from all the linked social media accounts in one place. And this is actually magnificent. From this page, you can reply to all of your messages, either it's public or private, or you can simply click on this option right here on assigned and assign this message to be replied by any one of your admins, for example. So here, as you can see, I have assigned this message, for example, to be replied by one of my admins. And here you will not just find the messages, you will also find the mentions, the tags, and other things related to your accounts. Now, let me show you another important tool, which is the analytics. Here you can simply track all of your progress through your multiple social media platforms. From the home page, you can see all the numbers, and you can also get to this option, best time to publish, in order to see which time will capture their attention and when you should exactly publish your posts or advertisements. And if you want to send a report to your leaders or your admins, you can simply click on create a report on the top right here. Then choose any template that is suitable for you and click on create a report. Then it will send them a report, which is very simple to make them understand all about the analytics. Now, if you want to create advertisements, you can simply go to this section right here, or this tool, ads. From this page, you can simply drag all of your ads, or you can simply boost any one of your ads. And you can also create your ad using Hootsuite, like this one right here. You can simply click on create, then choose ad. And after that, choose the social media website that you want to add the advertisement on it. Then select the page, select an ad account, and click on next audience and budget. After fulfilling all these data, then it will jump you to other step. And from here, you can add the photos, add the caption, and see how will this ad be displayed on desktop and mobile. Then click on publish campaign. Then it will be shown right here in the plan section. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.